Fun facts about parrots. Meet the parrots, nature's most vibrant chatterboxes. These feathered friends aren't just eye-catching, they're also incredibly intelligent. Did you know some parrots can live up to 80 years? It's true, these birds have impressive lifespans. Many parrots boast impressive vocabularies, mimicking human speech and even understanding it. Just like a mini feathered linguist. Parrots also have zygodactyl feet. This means they have 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing back, perfect for climbing and grasping. Lastly, they're social butterflies, or rather, birds. Parrots love company and can form strong bonds with their flock or human families. Now you know why parrots are more than just pretty feathers.